Don't break them.
I guess because they have stuff around the top and the bottom, they can't. But
yeah.
What are you doing, buddy?
Playing with the lids.
He's a horse. Clip, clap, clip, clap.
Of all the toys he has, and he plays with lids.
Easy. When you're done, I'm going to start to...
What's the matter?
Let's put this somewhere else until we're ready for it next week. Is this in the lap? No. It is not.
Cling, clang, cling, clang. He's like, I'll help you clean up, Grandma.
Oh, yeah. Looks good to me.
Cling, clang, cling, clang. Come on over this way, Nicholas. You're not my grandma. Oopsie.
Yeah, that wasn't a good idea.
Are you done? Are you done cling clanging here? Which sound do you like better? Oh my God.